After years of studying men and women, I've come to realize that the key to a happy relationship with the opposite sex is to recognize that we have two natures. One I call human animal, and the other human spirit. Human spirit is an elevated part of us. It enables us to be our best selves. Human animal is a more primitive part, the instinctive part that lashes out, often in response to primal fear of scarcity or competition. When it happens, I call it an attack of human animal. It's a cave woman or a caveman attack. And what happens is there's literally an eclipse of human spirit. So human spirit is still there, but it's in the background, overshadowed by the animal reaction, this driven perception of a threat to one's survival. So when men and women perceive a threat to their survival, they react by instinct. And instinct is defined as a primal, biological urge in paternal response that brings relief of tension. Now I bring it up because it's a good place to look. Whenever you're experiencing tension, there's a very good chance you're reacting instinctively from your caveman or cavewoman and not from human spirit. Now, if we're going to bring out the best in ourselves and in each other, we have to understand what causes an attack of human animal. And what does that is any time we perceive that our survival is in jeopardy. So it could be a threat to physical safety, it could be a threat to property we're attached to, it could be a threat to our identity, to our sense of self. Now, if we're going to bring out the best in each other, we have to understand that the masculine and feminine aspects of natures is pure survival and for safety and security in different ways. For the masculine, survival depends upon his ability to produce results. So the masculine will feel safe and secure when they have the greatest opportunities to produce results. And that comes when they are respected and trusted by the people that they work with and the people they care for. The feminine, on the other hand, experiences safety and security when she feels connected, when she's getting attention, and the introduction is from the people around her. They give her a nearly constant sense of being connected and therefore safe and secure. Now, one of the problems is that men and women have instincts that literally antagonize the other's caveman or cavewoman. So, for example, the way that the man thinks, which is called single focus, will cause him to pay attention to one thing at a time. So if he's watching television, the woman in his life may feel ignored, and she'll get this incredible sense of tension in her body, and she'll try to do things to connect to him, which is a single focus person. He's gonna experience an interruption and be annoyed by it and cause a downward spiral. On the other hand, women have instincts that causes them to want to be scrupulously accurate in their details. So if a man is telling a story and he says something happened on Tuesday that she thinks happened on Wednesday, she'll interrupt him and correct the story. If he's afraid of other people, it's gonna cause a problem because if it's someone who respect and trust needs and she's now intimating that he lies or exaggerates, that's gonna be a problem. Now, on the other hand, by understanding these ways that we antagonize each other's things, we can behave in a way that instead brings out the best in each other. So, for example, for a man to overcome his natural respect for privacy and instead ask questions that show that he's interested in her. He can even ask her what are her favorite questions to be asked, and for a woman to recognize the tension she feels about the accuracy of details and realize that maybe this isn't so important. Just let him tell the story. You don't have to correct him on it, and then he can maintain this respect and trust that he needs. By understanding the differences in a way that men and women think, communicate, process information, and solve problems, men and women can learn to bring out the best in each other instead of causing an attack of human animal.